All right, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. A little hot to be working out in the garage. The ceiling temperature is around 112. I was supposed to do some roof work today, but I ain't doing it. I am retired. So usually I work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays on RVs, but my wife's daughter's coming to town today. So she's from Chicago. Anyway, we're going to do a little film. You know me, I got to stay busy. We're going to do a little film on here. It's a flow meter, and there's a filter that I just cleaned out, and then I have a brand new one here. And yes, I watch Adapt 8. He's pretty good if you're a cat guy, Caterpillar engine guy. All right, so let's just put it up here and see what happens. Let me get my old butt. Okay. All right. Remember, I just cleaned this up. Okay, we're about 2 point, right in the middle. Oh, I dropped it. It's a shame this thing don't have a backlight, right? Stick it a little bit. 2.7, 2.8, all right. Put you on pause. All right, this is with the grate down, up against the filter. 7 point, we got a 6.7. Let's just call it 6 point. There you go. All right, put you on pause. I'm gonna pull this old filter out. It was vacuumed. We have central air. We don't use the heat system's baseboard. All right, so let me pull this filter out and put a new one in. Or here, let's do this. Let's pull the filter out. Let's see what. Whoa, you can feel. Oh, I'm getting my hair sucked up. Oh man, it went. They sucked it all up. Hold on. Let's look at this. Look at that. Now, down where the filter is about 6 something. Up in there, you can even hear that thing move. 13. All right, it's pretty clean up there because I vacuumed it out about a month ago. All right, so now we're going to put the new filter in there and see what it is. Put you on pause. Okay, remember when installing filters, they have an airflow direction, okay? Even on engines, car engines, diesel engines and all that, but it's kind of hard to mess them up. Don't laugh. In my past, I've seen it happen. So I'll put it up in here. It's sucking it up. There you go. She's in. Let me go get the meter, airflow meter. Let's see. It's about the same. All right. All right. So, but it was clogged after it was vacuumed. All right. So look, there's nothing in the corner there. Of course, it's all going to be basically in the center. It's even a little less. 6.7. Remember, it clogs in the center first and then starts pulling from there. All right, you could use this video to help you troubleshoot your AC, especially if your divider and all is messed up on a rooftop AC. Anywhere, air leaks, when your engine's running like a diesel, around your bed and all, the frame where the bed comes down and the engine's below it, you can see if there's air leaks there, because that thing is flowing some air. It's going to suck it, right? Ooh, and blow it out the back or side. So you could use this little tool right here to find those leaks. Another indication is you got soot on your ceiling. Not a good idea. It's too late then by then. Anyway, thank you very much, Jeff RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video on using the airflow meter.